What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is George and I am bringing you another incredible site with an incredible deal. All right, this one you can actually get up to $500 free Google ad credits as well as the incredible deals that we have going on there. You're going to hear names like Tesla, you're going to hear names like Facebook, LinkedIn, things like that. All right, so let's get involved. Let's get straight to it. It's called AdCreative.ai. I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go. Here we go, guys. AdCreative.ai. Now you can see here, it's got really cool themes, all right? All the buttons to the side here, you got the features, use cases, price, and the blog. We're going to talk about them very, very soon. But what I want to say is straight from the bat, looking at this, they have caught my eye. The colors, the images, the names like Tesla, all right, they've got it. So what is it? You're going to get 14 times better conversion rates here, right? It's an AI-powered ad creative system. Gives your business an unfair advantage with creatives, banners generated, and highly trained artificial intelligence. All you do is click that and get involved. As you can see, like I said, you're going to get a $500 free Google ad credit, all right, if you meet the criteria. Now, let's have a little look at what's going on. All their links are down below, all right? All you got to do is click on there. They have higher conversion rates than anyone that I have reviewed, definitely. Over 95% of the users improve CTR in their first month using these creatives. Okay, in 2022, every single thing in digital marketing is optimized by artificial intelligence. That's just a fact, except creatives. AdCreative.ai is here to change that to make the data-backed result and bring in ad creatives possible. You can try 100% for free for 7 days. That doesn't mean they're going to try and sting you with some small print. If on the 6th day you don't like it, they will let you have your money back. They won't charge you for the next month, okay? Explore it in just 2 minutes. So you simply tell the artificial intelligence, your target audience, the platform you're creating the ads on, it will select the best tone, length of platform with folks in your target and audience and points. You can see it right here, all right? It's super, super easy. It takes 2 minutes. The general creative, so they're conversation-focused ad creators in a matter of minutes, okay? Staying on the brand, test more creators with decreasing the time spent on the design process, get up to 14 times better conversion rate. They generate text and headlines, so it does that for you as well. So it's letting the artificial intelligence be your copywriter. See creative insights, so you can actually get a deeper look inside, all right? And see what best in your ad accounts is at a glance and what is inspired from your best performing creatives. The creative scoring is coming soon, right? That's where you upload your own creatives so our artificial intelligence can score them for you. Actually give you a bit of feedback saying this is going to work, this isn't going to work. And again, please note, you can cancel any time up to 7 days and get your money back. Now, tell me why. Why AdCreative.ai? So they're going to tell you how you can save time and money to scale this, all right? And I'm going to tell you why. They've got a trained AI. Their machine learning model is learning every single day, provides up-to-date conversations, creates with a sole purpose, and better conversations, all right? I've said it 4 times. 14 times better conversation rates than an ad creative designed with no data approach. Super scalable, so 1 creative or 10,000 creatives a month, all right? It's designed to match whatever your creative banner needs. Seamless designs, as you can see just by this website, it is unique and popping. All right, they got the brand colors and font to seamlessly design to fit your branding. The platform integrations, so you can actually integration with, like I said, them big names, Google, Facebook, and you need Zapier. All right, make the most of Ad Creative. Created for calibration, so you can invite up to 25 users and let them generate creative simultaneously under one account. So 25 of you can use this. And text generator is a massive one, okay? Bringing text for your ads. And the insights. The insights is probably one of my favorite because it's where you're getting your actual feedback on this. Okay, see which ones are performing the best on your ad accounts. Not what they think could do the best on a possible ad account. What's actually doing the best on yours. And it's white label ready, okay? The logo and URL of AdCreative.ai make it truly yours as well. Who can use it? Whether you're a startup business, all right? You start a business, you spend a lot of money on stuff like this and not know what it's doing. This AI can take that advantage for you, all right? E-commerce, you can use this for e-commerce. Generate custom creative banners for your entire product catalog, all right? Like this, join Under Armour's, join WeWork. Look at these brands that are doing this. Creating ad agencies and banners that have up to 14 times better conversion rates, every single portfolio. Now, the pricing. Let's get deep into the pricing. So talking about the pricing, all right, if you are startups, it's just here, and it's 25% off if you apply this code, first year 25. All right, you can see the difference here. We've got the bestseller, which is the premium 59. We've got the new, which is the ultimate 99. But if you really want to scale, you go for 149 and you get everything plus 4 number of users. All right, super, super interesting. Now, if I click on professionals here, and you're a professional, is that for the startups, all right? If you're a professional, which I'm hoping a lot of you are, All right, we're going the same way, but $189 to start, $249 premium, and $399 per month with the new. All right, but you're actually getting 15 different users, 20 number of the brands, and everything in here. So you're getting the number of brand, limited generations, the Facebook, Google integrations, limited free stock, text generator, and creative insights. Let's compare that to the startups. On the startups, you're getting a 25% off, but you're actually getting a very small version of these, all right? You're getting 2 at the max and 4 at the bottom. Okay, it is incredible, but for a professional, you want to absolutely scale this to the moon. All right, the 25% off is still going to be for you for the professional or the startups. If you need any more FAQs on that, go to the bottom. If I've not explained them enough, click on these, have a little look. All right, you can even play this video where he will explain some to you. And they've got some testimonials down below. The VP of Digital Marketing saying, I love having both data and AI involved. All right, so please, 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 only use trusted links. Use the ones underneath this page right now. All right, and get started as soon as you can. There you go, guys. AdCreative.ai. I'm loving that, and the price is on fire. Now, we do strive to bring you the greatest videos always on this channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Please keep hitting the like button. Hit the subscribe. It does help the algorithm so well. And guess what? It makes me happy. All right. Hit the bell if you want to be notified about another projects we've got coming up. Like I said, sometimes we got lifetime deals. Sometimes we've just got deals for everyone. All right. Keep tuned. Stuff like this is exactly why I'm sat here making these videos, to make people like you save hundreds of dollars. And everyone should know about this. This isn't a secret. Everyone should know. Let's spread the wealth, spread the fun. Please, please keep supporting us, and I'll see you on the very next video.